Hi everybody, this is Jean. I just wanted to show you what my husband has called me out in our driveway to show me. I just saw it a little bit, but I thought, oh wow, I'm going to videotape that. This is my husband Ian. Say hello, Ian.
Hello, Ian.
So, this is his work van, obviously, and look what he found. We're renovating an old building in right outside of Philadelphia.
Victorian.
A Victorian building, big building that we are. That's our current project. Pull it up, and this.
Okay, this is Japanese engineering. Just look at this. I can imagine an old Zero aeroplane engine being engineered like this.
So
and it's a Juki.
It's a Juki. Look at this. You found this where? In the basement
of this old building.
Look at this. And my husband thought of me and said, look what I found. A Juki.
It was being thrown in the trash by my guys.
Oh my word. So he says, no, don't throw it. But it's obviously an industrial strength. Almost looks like, I don't know, World War II. Oh, and it has a motor. Separate motor. So, oh, what's it called? It says
this is a Union
Special. And does it have a serial number? See, I'm wondering, maybe someone could comment if any of you know or know of anybody who would know if this is worth refurbishing. Obviously it would cost a lot of money, but it's an industrial machine, big time, and it has a serial number on it. And Jukis, once they're you know,
in good working order,
yeah,
they'll go forever.
They'll go forever. So it's
regular
not
stitch.
Yeah, it's
reliable.
Yep, and it's interesting because I just pulled out the bobbin cage, and it's exactly my bobbin from my Juki. It's exactly the same exact one. So here is our awesome find that my husband found. Again,
bobbin case in there.
Yeah, the bobbin case is in there. Now it's not, I don't know how to do it. It's not seized, as it were. Everything sort of moves. And obviously this has to be set up. But what do you think? What do you think? Is anybody a sewing machine mechanic? Do you think it's worth taking it to a repairman and having it fixed? Let me know. This is
know any Japanese Juki mechanics?
Yeah. Well, I guess a Juki dealer would know.
You need a Juki enthusiast, let alone a dealer.
Yeah.
They just wanna...
So maybe we can do some research. Do our due diligence.
I've got to take this out.
But that's a present from my dear husband. Thank you, dear. You're so kind. All right, folks. That's my present. Look at that. I got a brand new sewing machine. Isn't it wonderful? See ya.